Hello guys, welcome back to my lesson. In last video, I introduced about the simultaneous equation combined with perfect square. And we have two formula about the perfect square, a plus b square and a minus b square. So for this video, we will continue practicing about this kind of question. And you got the example 1 in this slide. The first equation we have y equal to 9 minus x, and the second one 2y squared minus x equal to 0. So for y squared here, we can see that we can subtract the bracket in the first equation to the second one. And remember about the method of substitution, we need to set up the bracket like here. And that's why we can write out the second one in form of x or in terms of x only, like this equation. And now time for apply formula of perfect square. 9 minus x and square outside, you got here is 89 square, 2 times 9 times x plus with x squared and minus x equal to 0. Now expand this bracket, we got here is 2 times 81, 162, and this one is 36 times x and plus with 2x squared minus x equal to 0. And for here 2x squared minus 36 times x, no, this cannot be 36 because we have one more minus 1x in here, minus 37, and plus 162 equal to 0. And for this question, we can set up the value for the coefficient about quadratic equation. 2 minus 37 and 162. And I think I will use my calculator for figure out the value of solution in this one. And for here, you got two value of x. The first value is 11.39. I think here is 39 here. And the second one we got for this one will be 7.11. And now figure out the value of y. You got here is 9 minus 11.39, and here y 9 minus 7.11. Yep. The first one we got 9 minus 11.39. This will be equal to minus 2.39. And the second solution for y, you got 1.89. 2 point for this equation, 11.39 and minus 2.39. And here you got 7.11 and 1.89 here. Okay, so you got the point here and the point here is the two solutions. Here are two solutions for this question. We finished question 1. Example 2 in this video, we have the first one will be the linear equation, but you have to choose which x or y you need to subject for here. So we can see here, if I want to subject for y, we got the new expression is 2x minus 2x plus 3. And if I want to subject for 2x, we got here is 2x minus y plus 3, and x here will be minus y plus 3 over 2. So here for very complicated, a little complicated than this one. So I will choose the subject y for this question. And subject for y here, I have the position of y in the bracket here, and then I will put this expression into the bracket, subject that into here, substitution using bracket. So negative 2x plus 3, and you got square here, and minus 3x equal to 5. A little change position before I want to use perfect square. Negative 2x plus 3, I will convert this become to this one, and minus 3x equal to 5 now. And for here we got 9 minus 12x plus 4x squared and minus 3x in here equal to 5. 36 minus 48x plus 16x squared here, and minus 3x minus 5 equal to 0. And for here we got 16x minus, no, this is not 48 anymore. You got minus 48 and minus 3 here, this means minus 51x, and you got here is 31. So choose solution for h. I will got here, sorry, I will take a little time for solving the equation now. I'm using my calculator, yes, minus 51 and 31 here. Okay, so choose solution for this, we got 2.437, and the second one is 0.82. Okay, so I want to figure out y. Yeah, y will be minus 2 times 2.37 and plus 3, and for the second one minus 2 times 0.82 plus 3 now. Yeah, the first point will be 2.37, and wait a second, I want to figure out the new value for y. 2.37 multiplied with minus 2 and then plus 3. We got here is minus 1.74. The next one is 0.82. And 0.82 multiply negative 3, negative 2 and plus 3. We got 1.36. Yep. So for this one, you got the point here and this one will be here. And the last question for this video, I think we can subject x or y, it doesn't matter, because for here x plus y equal to 7 that is equal, they are same easy. And for me, I want to subject for y. I want to subject for y because for this one I have this position. When I subject for y here, I don't need to use perfect square anymore. Y will be 7 minus 8, and substitute this one into the y position. X squared minus 8 multiply 7 minus 8 equal to 4 here, and this is will be minus 7x plus x squared equal to 4. So 2x squared minus 7x minus 4 equal to 0. And for h we got here 2, negative 7, negative 4. First one will be 4, the second point will be negative 1 over 2. And it's quite easy for figure out y will be equal to 3. The first point is 3, 4. And the next one, you got y equal to 7 minus 1 over 2. So the second point will be 7.5. Yes. So negative 1 over 2 and then 15 over 2 is means 7.5. You got two solutions here, 1 and 2. Okay, so we have one more. We have one more level of simultaneous equation. So see you in next video.